Aeromobile 4.0. The Aeromobile 4.0 is a futuristic flying car that can work both as a normal road vehicle and an aircraft. It is designed to make travel faster, easier, and more flexible by combining driving and flying in one machine. This advanced concept shows what the future of transportation could look like. On the road, the Aeromobile 4.0 behaves like a regular car, allowing smooth and comfortable driving through cities and highways. When needed, it can transform into a flying vehicle by extending its wings. Once in flight mode, it can take off from a short runway and travel long distances in the sky, saving time compared to road travel. The vehicle is built with a lightweight but strong body, which helps it perform well in both driving and flying modes. Its aerodynamic shape reduces air resistance, making flight smoother and more efficient. Inside, the cockpit is designed for comfort and includes modern controls that help the driver easily switch between car and airplane functions. Airspeeder Crewed Mk4. The Airspeeder Crewed Mk4 is a futuristic electric flying racing vehicle made for high-speed air competitions. It is part of a new type of motorsport where pilots race in the sky instead of on traditional ground tracks. This makes racing more exciting, modern, and full of advanced technology. The Mk4 uses powerful electric rotors that allow it to take off vertically and fly in different directions with speed and control. Its electric system gives fast acceleration while keeping the flight smooth and stable. The design is very aerodynamic, which helps the vehicle move easily through the air with less resistance. Inside the cockpit, the pilot uses advanced controls to guide the aircraft with precision. The system is designed to respond quickly, making it perfect for sharp turns and high-speed racing. The body is built using strong but lightweight materials, which helps improve speed and safety during intense races. Aston Martin Volante Vision Concept. The Aston Martin Volante Vision Concept is a futuristic flying car designed to show the future of luxury air travel. It is a personal air taxi that combines advanced aviation technology with the elegant and stylish design Aston Martin is famous for. This concept gives a clear idea of how people might travel in the sky in the coming years. The vehicle is designed for vertical takeoff and landing, which means it can lift off straight into the air without needing a runway. This makes it suitable for city travel, where space is limited. It is built to fly smoothly over short and medium distances using advanced propulsion systems that focus on speed and efficiency. The exterior design is sleek, modern, and aerodynamic, inspired by high-end sports cars and aircraft. Inside, the cabin is made for comfort and luxury, offering a spacious and relaxing travel experience. The seating and layout are designed to make passengers feel safe and comfortable during the flight. Cavorite X5. The Cavorite X5 is an advanced futuristic aircraft designed to make air travel faster, smarter, and more efficient. This incredible flying vehicle combines the abilities of a helicopter and an airplane in one modern design. It can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, which means it does not need a long runway. After takeoff, it flies forward like a regular airplane, allowing smoother and faster travel over long distances. One of the most exciting features of the Cavorite X5 is its hidden fan system built inside the wings. These powerful fans help lift the aircraft straight into the air during takeoff and landing. Once the aircraft is flying forward, the fans are covered, helping improve speed and efficiency while reducing energy use. This smart technology gives the aircraft a sleek appearance and makes it more practical for future transportation. The cabin is designed to provide comfort and safety for passengers, making it suitable for city travel, emergency services, and business transportation. Gravity Jet Suit. The Gravity Jet Suit is an amazing personal flying suit that allows a person to fly in the sky using small jet engines attached to the body. It is a futuristic invention that turns the dream of human flight into reality, giving users the feeling of flying like a superhero. This suit works with multiple jet engines placed on the arms and back. These engines create strong power that lifts the person off the ground and lets them hover, move forward, or change direction in the air. The flight is controlled by hand movements and body balance, making it feel natural once learned through practice. The Gravity Jet Suit is built with strong and lightweight materials to keep the pilot safe during flight. It is not a casual device and requires proper training and skill to operate safely. Hill HX-50. The Hill HX-50 is a modern and futuristic private helicopter designed to make personal air travel easier, safer, and more comfortable. It is built for individuals who want the freedom to fly themselves or travel privately in the sky with style and efficiency. This helicopter has a sleek and lightweight design that helps improve speed, performance, and fuel efficiency. It is powered by a turbine engine that delivers strong and smooth flight performance for short and medium distance travel. The HX-50 is also designed to be simpler to operate compared to traditional helicopters, making it more user-friendly for private pilots. Inside, the cabin feels more like a luxury car than a traditional aircraft. It is designed with comfort in mind, offering modern controls, a clean layout, and a relaxing seating arrangement. Large windows allow passengers to enjoy wide and clear views during the flight, making the journey more enjoyable and scenic. Icon Life Aircraft. The Icon Life Aircraft is a modern light sport airplane designed to make flying simple, safe, and enjoyable for everyday people. It is built for adventure lovers who want to experience the freedom of the sky in an easy and exciting way. Its stylish and compact design gives it a modern and sporty look that stands out in the world of personal aviation. One of the most special features of the Icon A5 is its ability to land on both land and water. This amphibious design allows it to take off from airports, lakes, and open water areas, making it perfect for exploring different places. It also has foldable wings, which makes storage and transportation much easier compared to traditional aircraft. Inside the cockpit, the aircraft is designed for comfort and simplicity. The controls are easy to understand, making it suitable even for beginner pilots with training. It also includes advanced safety features like a built-in parachute system, which adds extra protection during emergencies and improves overall flight safety. Jetman. Jetman is a futuristic personal flying system that lets a person fly through the sky using powerful jet engines attached to a special wing worn on the back. It is designed to give the feeling of real human flight, similar to a bird, but using advanced jet technology. The system uses small but very strong jet engines mounted on a lightweight carbon fiber wing. These engines produce powerful thrust that lifts the pilot into the air and allows movement in different directions. The pilot controls the flight using body balance and hand movements, which makes the experience feel natural and exciting. Jetman is built with strong and lightweight materials to handle high speed and ensure stability in the air. Because of its power and speed, it requires professional training and practice to operate safely. The design also focuses on safety and control to help the pilot manage flight smoothly. This flying system is mainly used for air shows, demonstrations, and experimental aviation projects. It is not just a machine, but a symbol of advanced human flight technology. Jetman shows how modern engineering is turning the dream of flying like a bird into reality, offering a thrilling glimpse into the future of personal aviation. Klein Vision Flying Car. The Klein Vision Flying Car is a futuristic vehicle that can be driven on roads and also flown in the sky. It is designed to combine a car and an aircraft into one smart machine, making travel faster, easier, and more advanced. This innovative idea brings the dream of flying cars closer to real life. On the ground, it works like a normal car, allowing smooth driving through cities and highways. When it reaches an open space or runway, it transforms into a plane. Its wings unfold, and the vehicle is ready for takeoff. This allows it to fly long distances in the air, saving a lot of travel time compared to road journeys. The car is built with a lightweight but strong structure, which helps it perform well in both driving and flying modes. Its aerodynamic design improves stability, speed, and fuel efficiency during flight. Inside, the cockpit is simple and comfortable, with controls that help trained users switch between car mode and flight mode easily. Lift Aircraft. Lift Aircraft is a modern personal flying machine designed to let one person fly in the sky in a simple and exciting way. It is built for short-distance travel and gives users a completely new way to experience movement through the air without needing roads or runways. This advanced aircraft shows how personal flying vehicles could become more common in the future. The Lift aircraft uses multiple electric rotors that lift it straight up into the air. This vertical takeoff system makes it possible to fly from open spaces like fields or flat areas without requiring airports. Its lightweight frame and strong structure help keep the flight stable, safe, and efficient while in the air. This aircraft runs on electric power instead of fuel, which makes it quiet and environmentally friendly. It is designed mainly for short trips, fun flights, and exploring the sky from a new perspective. Martin Jetpack. The Martin Jetpack is a futuristic personal flying machine designed to let one person travel through the sky without a traditional aircraft. It is a compact and powerful invention that brings the idea of personal flight closer to reality. This jetpack is built to help people lift off the ground, hover, and move in the air with more freedom. The jetpack works using a ducted fan system powered by an engine. These fans are protected inside a strong frame, which helps keep the flight stable and safer. By controlling the power and direction of the fans, the pilot can take off vertically, stay in the air, and move forward smoothly. Safety is an important part of its design. The Martin Jetpack includes a strong structure and emergency features like a parachute system to help protect the user if something goes wrong. It is designed for trained users who can learn how to balance and control it properly during flight. Pulse Concept. The Pulse Concept is a futuristic vehicle idea designed to show what the future of transportation could look like. It focuses on smart design, modern technology, and efficient movement, all combined into one advanced concept. This vehicle represents a future where travel is faster, cleaner, and more intelligent. The design of the Pulse Concept is sleek and aerodynamic, which helps it move smoothly and reduce resistance. Its lightweight structure improves energy efficiency while still keeping it strong and stable. The overall shape is built to match modern needs, focusing on speed, comfort, and performance in everyday use. Inside, the vehicle is designed with simplicity and smart technology in mind. The cabin offers a clean and comfortable environment with easy-to-use digital controls. Advanced systems are included to help with navigation, safety, and overall user experience, making travel more convenient and stress-free. Stratosphere Volatile. The Stratosphere Volatile is a futuristic aircraft concept designed for high-altitude flight in the upper layers of the atmosphere. It is built to explore how future aviation can travel higher, faster, and more efficiently than today's aircraft. This advanced idea shows a new direction in aerospace technology. The design of the Stratosphere Volatile is sleek, modern, and highly aerodynamic. It is made with lightweight materials that help it move smoothly through thin air at very high altitudes. This reduces resistance and improves speed and fuel efficiency during long-distance travel. One of the main ideas behind this aircraft is flying in the stratosphere, where the air is much thinner than near the ground. This helps the aircraft move faster and use less energy. It is designed for long-range travel, research missions, and advanced aviation experiments that require high-altitude performance. Switchblade Flying Sports Car. The Switchblade Flying Sports Car is a futuristic vehicle that can be driven on roads like a normal car and also fly like a small airplane. It is designed to make travel faster and more flexible by combining two modes of transportation in one smart machine. On the road, it works like a sporty three-wheeled car, allowing smooth and quick driving through streets and highways. When the user wants to fly, the wings and tail extend from the body, turning it into an aircraft. This transformation allows it to take off from a short runway and travel long distances in the air, saving a lot of travel time. The Switchblade is built with a lightweight but strong structure, which helps it perform well in both driving and flying modes. Its aerodynamic design improves speed and stability while moving through the air. Inside, the cockpit is designed for comfort and easy control. Vertical Aerospace VX4. The Vertical Aerospace VX4 is a modern electric air taxi created to make city travel faster, easier, and more advanced. It is designed for short trips between urban areas, helping people avoid road traffic by traveling through the sky. This futuristic aircraft shows how flying taxis could become a normal part of daily transportation in the future. The VX4 uses powerful electric rotors that allow it to take off and land vertically. Because of this, it does not need a runway and can operate from small landing spaces inside or near cities. Its sleek and lightweight design improves efficiency, reduces energy use, and supports smooth flight performance. This aircraft is fully electric, which means it produces no harmful emissions and is much quieter than traditional helicopters or airplanes. It is designed to carry a few passengers in a comfortable cabin, offering a safe and smooth travel experience.